Today, I'm going to teach you how to write alt text for images on your Wix website. Alt text is crucial for accessibility and SEO, as it helps screen readers describe images to visually impaired users and helps search engines understand your content better. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. Look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with a few options. From here, click on Website. This ensures you're working on your main website and not a mobile-specific version. Now you'll see a preview of your website settings. Take a moment to make sure this is the correct website you want to add alt text to, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. This confirmation step is important because any changes you make will apply to this specific site. On this page, locate the Design Site button. You'll typically find it at the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. Click on it to open the editor. This button is your gateway to customizing your website's visual elements and content. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens. Start by locating the Add Elements button on the left navigation menu and click on it. This button opens up a world of customization options for your site. The Add Elements menu will expand and you'll be presented with a list of all the elements you can use to customize your website. From this elements list, look for the image option and click on it. This is where you'll access all image-related features. Now to add alt text, you need to have an image on your page. For this tutorial, we'll simply use a stock image to show the process of adding alt text. Select the image you wish to use and add alt text on, then drag it onto your website canvas. Position it wherever you think it looks best on your page. Once the image is added, click on it. You'll see a menu appear at the top of the image with various options. Look for the settings or gear icon and click on it. This opens up all the detailed settings for that specific image. Now scroll down until you see the image text section. You'll find a field labeled What's in the image. This is where you'll input your alt text. Simply type in a clear descriptive summary of what the image shows. For example, if it's a photo of a red bicycle in front of a coffee shop, you might write red bicycle parked in front of a coffee shop entrance. Keep it concise but descriptive enough for someone who can't see the image to understand what it depicts. And that's it. You've successfully added alt text to an image on your Wix website, making your site more accessible and SEO friendly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.